Imagine a food system where everyone can access nutritious food. Nothing is wasted, and the impact on our environment is minimal. Imagine a system where food experts and entrepreneurs come together to tackle our most complex food challenges. Imagine a circular food economy. Food is a fundamental requirement of life, yet 1 in 6 families in our communities are food insecure. The cost of healthy food has increased 27% in 8 years. In Canada, we throw away roughly 1/3 of our food. Our existing food system is based on a linear economic model. We use natural resources to make things based on consumer demand and then ultimately dispose of them in landfills, along with all the waste created by this system along the way. Take, make, dispose. We are now seeing the negative economic, social, and environmental consequences of this approach. Over centuries, innovation in food production and delivery systems have contributed to the rise of civilizations. We now face the challenge of feeding 9 billion people by 2050. To do that, our current systems and practices will have to change. Now, more than ever, we need to build the sustainable and inclusive food system of the future. Using nature's circular approach as our inspiration, we believe it's possible to ensure people have access to affordable, healthy, nutritious food, reduce the environmental impacts of the food system, and build economic prosperity at the same time. People, planet, prosperity, and purpose. There are both problems and opportunities on the road to becoming a smarter, inclusive community. But it always starts with a vision that comes from our residents. Ours is to use the richness of our regional expertise, the power of data, and the potential of technology to create Canada's first circular regional food ecosystem, and to work with national and global partners to create a roadmap to the future. Cities and local governments have an important role to play in achieving that vision, working with community partners to ensure all residents are included and no one is left behind, opening up opportunities for entrepreneurs to help us leverage our municipal systems to contribute to innovation, safekeeping the public trust as we move to a data-driven digital future. So we are committed, along with our partners, to turn Guelph Wellington into a living lab where social innovators, farmers, entrepreneurs, researchers, and local government can work alongside data and technology experts to help solve food problems. We believe our rural-urban partnership is key to bringing our food system and communities back into a healthy balance. With our rich tradition rooted in agriculture and food, our region is already helping drive innovation in Canada's leading agri-food system, a sector that is an important contributor to our economy and to our future. A global transformation has begun. The City of Guelph and the County of Wellington have risen to the challenge and are helping lead the way. Our bold vision is to help demonstrate the art of the possible by building a regional food system that increases access to affordable, nutritious food by 50%, creates 50 new food businesses and collaboration opportunities, and increases economic revenues by reducing and reimagining our food waste by 50%, all by 2025. Meet our community who share our vision.
Imagine a smart tractor that knows where it is in the field and plants the right seed in the right place and gives it the right amount of fertilizer. That's the future of agriculture. But we're not in the future yet, and that's why we need the Guelph Wellington Smart Cities project to come together in order to ensure that our region becomes the fulcrum, the catalyst for the digital agricultural revolution.
The Smart Cities application is going to be a fantastic opportunity to catalyze entrepreneurial ingenuity in Guelph Wellington.
Here at The Seed, our work is enhancing the lives for those in our community by increasing the access to affordable and nutritious food for those living with food insecurities.
The Guelph Wellington Smart Cities application is all about looking at our food system differently. We produce enough food within this city. There's no need for anyone to go hungry.
This is my food future.
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 This is our food future.